Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to create and manage execution profiles, how to refer values from profiles into our project, and how to set environments during execution. To explain about profiles, I have taken this small code of 7 lines where I have navigated to URL and clicked on make appointment button and entered username and password, clicked login button and close browser. So what is exactly profiles or what is in handling the environment means? In real time projects we work on different environments. We need to execute same set of tests on different environments. For example, uh, we can have the UAT environment. We may have the QA environment, separate QA environment. We may have the separate pre-prod environment. So this way we may have 3 environments, 4 environments, 2 environments, and the credentials or URLs for the same will be different. The URL, username, password for all these environments will be different. Example is say for UAT, the URL might be www.uatenvtest.com, and the username and password might be admin. For QA environment, the URL might be QAENV test, and the username and password might be user QA and password QA. For prod environment, it might be pre-prod, ENV test, and the username might be admin prod and password admin prod. So different environments have different URLs and password usernames. So how to handle this in our project to make sure that we execute the same set of tests again and again on different environments. So for that we have the facility of profiles. Here in our project, the profiles folders get generated. In this profiles folder, the default profile is already given. You can see here also there is default profile which is selected already. I will open this. For now it is blank. It does not have anything in it. Now we will add actual test data in it. I will add URL. Then I will one more variable as username and another one is as password. So this way I have set up the environment variables for that environment. Okay, for UAT environment, for default environment. Let's create the next environment, QA environment. We will use the same credentials for the QA environment as this is an example and it should work, right? So in the default profile, I'll right click and I will copy this. In the profiles, I will paste and these values will get copied in the same default copy environment. I will rename this environment as QA environment. see this, I have opened this. Similar way, I will create the another environment as prod environment. You can copy and paste it, or you can create in the profiles as new profile. For now, I will copy it because we are using the same environment details. I will rename this as prod env. So we have got three different profiles. Here you can see these three different profiles added. And now the default profile is ticked. It means the test while executing will take the default profile. If you want the test to be executed with different profile, you can select the profile and you can execute the test. But our test is not yet ready for execution as we have not referred the values from profiles into our test cases. How to refer the values from the test cases? Now we have taken the values for URL, username and password. For this, I will remove this URL and I will add here global variable dot URL. In similar way, I will add for the username and password global variable dot username and global variable dot password. I have shared the various variable types used in Catalan Studio in my another video. The link is given below in the description. So in profiles, the whatever we add, these are called as the global variables. We have added the global variables in the test case. In manual mode, you can see this global variables like this. You can add over here as well by going here and selecting global variable and the variable value. Now we have done the setup for the profile. How to use this profile for the test case that I have already mentioned. You can use the profile by selecting from here. You can take any profile and can execute the test. For test suite execution, you have to add the test suite here. I will add the test suite and I will add my test case to this test suite, test login. Here also we will select the profile from above. I will select the prod environment and I can execute the test suite from here. But in test suite collection, it's a bit different. So we will create the test suite collection first. And we will add our test suite to this collection. In test suite collection, there is column of profiles. You can click that column and you can select the profile that you want. I'll select the QA environment and you execute clicking this execute button. We will execute the test. Test execution is started. Browser open. We will minimize it. It has taken the URL from the URL variable. In the similar way, it should take the username and password. It has taken the username and password. It will log in and close the browser. Our test case is passed. So this way you can use profiles in different levels of your test in the test case, in test suite and test suite collection. and you can work with different profiles but the same set of tests. Please do like and subscribe by clicking buttons given below this video. For any questions, please mention in the comments below. Thank you.